Hey there, everyone. Tina Service here with the Titan, and I want to share something really cool that worked for me and my team, Made for Time, that I think can work for you too. We ran a campaign for my house cleaning business, Made for Time, and with just one automation, we were able to generate over $50,000 in sales. Here's the best part. It's not even the whole story. Okay, so here's exactly what we did. We took all the people who had reached out to Made for Time before that didn't sign up for service, what we call open leads, and we created a simple follow-up system to reach out to them again. Basically, we gave them another chance to try our service, and it really worked. All right, so we sent out a drip campaign. That's just a super fancy way of saying that we sent a series of messages over the course of a week. They were text messages. It was super easy to do with automation, but we didn't just send the same message to everyone. We got pretty strategic with this. So I wasn't really sure if people were going to sign up for a one-time service or every other week service. So I wanted to run a couple of different, like a split test basically to see which campaign actually worked better. So the first group the split test that we did is we did group one was going to get 10% off their first service, and group two got a bigger offer. They got $350 off from what we call their top to bottom or their deep cleaning. Now it could definitely be that their deep cleaning was more than the $350, but we were giving them $350 off. But here's the catch. They had to commit to 12 months worth of recurring service. So we provide recurring service on a weekly and bi-weekly basis, but you can certainly set this up any way for your company that you would like. You could do weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. But we found that we get the most bang for our buck by doing weekly and bi-weekly. All right, so this chart back here shows you what we were able to generate in that 1 week. And this $50,000 is me just calculating out how much revenue we brought in over a short period of time on this campaign. So basically the idea behind it was we're going to be able to calculate year over year revenue from this because the lifetime value of our client is definitely more than just the 1 year. All right, so basically, I guess maybe let's just do a little bit of math here. So if we were able to make 50,000 from just that one campaign, and we ended up getting 13 recurring clients from it, they'll end up bringing in way more over the next year. So our typical client spends about $7,000 to $7,200 a year on maid service. So if the lifetime value of them is they stay with us for 5 years, you can envision that 7,000 is making about 35K for us in just 1 week. I'm telling you, 1 week of an automation. Now, why am I sharing all this with you? I'm sharing this with you because I know that it can work for your business too. Whether you're running a house cleaning company like Made for Time or something totally different, the strategy is the same. You follow up with your leads, you test different offers, see what clicks and what works, and you use automation to make it all easy. So I'm just going to pop over to the automation really quick and show you what that back end looks like, just to show you how we set it up. And my dog is down here bouncing off the floor. So if you see him pop into the image in this camera, that would be what that is for. Okay. So here is our cleaning special that we set up, and you can see we're actually running it again. We had about 14,000 people go through it. So quite a bit of people go through it, which is exactly why I do a drip mode. So I only want 5 people to go through every minute, primarily because we don't want to get any spam stuff and get restricted on sending out our text messaging. Okay, so Puppy had to come up here and join me. I knew he was going to jump quite a bit. So in case any of you guys love dogs, here he is. This little guy's name is Mookie. All right, so I let the system, the automation, do the split itself. And here's the one-time cleaning special that shows here for you that it's 10% off. And we just basically said we have limited slots available for you. And then the second text message, the other text message that went out for people who want to do weekly or bi-weekly, we're basically saying that they're going to get $350 off their service, and they have to sign up for 12 months. Okay, so anyhow, my point here is don't let those leads go to waste. Turn them into loyal customers by creating some automations that you can send out to your clients right away. It does work. Sometimes you just have to play with the offer And then once you get an offer that works, stay with that offer, just change the name of the offer. Like clients know that it's going to be $350 off and 10%, but I'm just going to change the name of the offer and we're going to stick with the offer. All right, guys, hope this helps and I'll talk to you soon.